All right, everybody, in this lab, we are going to be trying to identify 3 different types of rocks. So our choices are going to be from igneous rocks, which form from magma or lava, sedimentary rocks, which form from pieces and bits of sand and small grains being compacted and cemented together, maybe on a beach or on a riverbed. And then also metamorphic rocks that form when rocks are put under extreme heat and pressure. So this is the first rock that I want you to take a look at. This is rock number 1, so you can record number 1 on your data table. And if we look at this rock, these 2 rocks are the same, but I just put two of them here. But you can see it looks like there's kind of big chunks of things inside the rock. And if I turn it over here, this is what it looks like on the surface. All right, so that's rock number 1. Next one I want to show you is rock number 3. And this is kind of a really interesting rock. You can see it's got kind of very sharp edges to it. Almost looks like it's made out of pieces of things. So if you look right here, you can see there's almost kind of like a shell here that's embedded in it. So that's a big clue. Okay, so this is rock number 3. All right, this one is going to be rock number 6. So if you look at the colors here, you can see you've got pink and black and white, and you can see there are different sized crystals that are kind of stuck together. Okay, so that's rock 6. A little bit out of order, but this is rock number 5. So I'll hold it up here a little bit closer. So you can see it's got kind of dark black crystals that you can see their size. So this must have cooled pretty slowly. All right, the next one's kind of a neat one. This is rock number 7. So you can record this one on your data table. And if we look at it really closely, you can see that there's actually kind of something called foliation to it. And you can see that there's almost these little layers here. There's these lines. And that's telling us that this was put under a lot of pressure and heat. And it reformed all these minerals and forced them to form into kind of a straight line when they were put under pressure. So that's rock number 7. Okay, this one is rock number 9. It's got the line under it. But if you look at kind of the edges, you can see it kind of has these thin layers to it. So this has also been put under pressure and heat, and all those minerals kind of line up into layers. So this also has foliation. So you can see the edges of this. This is rock number 6. So I'll put all of them on here together at the same time, so you can kind of compare them. This one is 9. This one is 5, 3, and 1. So there's 6 rock samples here. We have rock sample number 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 9. All right, so you're going to be making observations about these and using your identification key to determine which rocks these are. So work through your identification key, read each step on the identification key, and compare it to each of these rocks to try to determine which type of rock we have. Remember, it's either going to be an igneous rock that forms from magma or lava cooling, a sedimentary rock that forms when sediment and sand and gravel are stuck together, compacted, and cemented together into a rock, or a metamorphic rock that forms from heat and pressure. So we're going to try to actually identify the names of these rocks by using our identification key. So we will talk to you later.